Hello kids, welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to continue talking about surviving in the wild. So, take out your notebook and write as a title, Tutorial 1, Can Humans Survive Anything? So let's talk more about it. Also, I need you to copy and answer the following questions. Could you survive 2 days in the wild? Yes or no, and explain why. Remember, you have to write complete sentences. And what 3 things would you do first in case you are there and you have to survive alone? What would you do? Remember, we already talked about a course on survival skills. So do it, take your time. Okay, now that you finish, I want to upload a photo of these questions to Classroom. Okay, and also what you have to do is open the worksheet. We're going to work again on WiserMe, and you have to use the password 12345. Okay, as always. So you enter there, and you're going to complete the word search. Okay, and that will be all for today's tutorial. Good luck!